Hello, everybody. And I just started my YouTube channel. Just kidding, I have like 8 videos.
You didn't do it yet, right?
What?
Okay, I'm gonna make mine.
Okay, well, mine's already started. Procrastinator. Just kidding. I'm about to play Sky High. See? And then I wanted this. I'm the pro at this game.
Well, here's the AFC playoff picture updated. Cincinnati moves to 8-3-1. Kansas City and San Diego tied.
Hello, everybody.
What?
My name is
Poor Pants.
No, it's not Cutie Pie. Natalie, and I'm here today with Makayla.
Hi.
Yeah, so we're
gonna do some stuff. Some real
Where
good
are you,
stuff.
Makayla?
I'm playing Sky High.
Okay, so we're gonna go play games
Whee!
until Makayla gets out of Sky High.
You should play what? Falling Phantoms?
Yeah, we're gonna play that.
Yeah, because I'm not far from dying. So
Okay,
keep
so
playing
we're gonna
around.
play this game.
Crud, I died.
I'm gonna die like this.
Seconds on the clock. Baltimore still needs a chunk of yards just to give Justin Tucker an opportunity here.
Okay.
And that way they have to throw the ball deep and to the sideline. And again, Torrey Smith not in the game.
We should play Genbreaker on multiplayer. Right quick. I bet I'll win because I'm awesome. Hello. Shout out to Strawberry Bear.
One, oh God, I didn't make it.
Didn't make what?
I got it first, and I got an achievement, but I died after that.
I'm gonna play.
Okay, so
I'm pretty sure I have all the achievements for Falling Phantoms already. Like I have so many achievements. Oh crud! Yeah.
I have 99 achievements.
Hold on, let me count mine in a minute. I just gotta.
One of the top corners in the game, he just made an immense tackle for San Diego.
Oh man, I was in third place. Okay, let me count my achievements. Yeah, I have 166.
Ugh. So much achievement.
I can't keep up with. Why do the rest of them color me red? What the heck happened? Look. You see, all of them are all colored me red. What? Color me red is like my least favorite one.
You people that are watching my video, if you trade somebody, trade them crappy stuff.
Yeah.
For where?
Yeah.
Because some people are stupid and they're gonna say yes.
Yes. Like trade them a turkey hat for a burning candle. They'll totally say yes. Oh. You know where I'm from. You know what I represent. Got a problem? Say that then. Say that then. What? You got a
I need to
problem?
get you down there, so I'm gonna play best friend.
Oh, me too. I love Best Dressed.
Yeah. I keep getting laughed though. These people are rude.
I always get first because I always dress really good. Leprechaun. I am a leprechaun. No, just kidding. Arctic. Oh, shit. What's the theme? Best for a hike. Is your theme best for a hike?
No, mine is waiting for the next round.
Mine's best for a hike though. Snowshoes.
Do you see this mouse is like? I don't like it.
Why? I'm going to be an elf hiker. No, I'm just kidding.
Revolution in taste with a naturally formed crema. On both coffee and espresso.
Neck. Let's see if they have any spikes, because spikes always look good. Beard. Just kidding. Necklace, you can barely find these back. Black.
Okay, so they have some stupid freaking themes.
What? All
Their
these
themes are so stupid.
they come up with stupid themes that they know is impossible for Animal Jam.
Like, how do you know? Oh my god.
Like, best for the beach.
They're number one in overall customer satisfaction. We'll switch tomorrow.
Most like royalty. Oh, mine's most like royalty. What? Ooh, Spike always looks good. Ooh. Boom. Boom. No, this one. And no, this.
These past weeks have been challenging and emotional for our community. None of these people don't even look happy. But they're putting the laughing sign to make them look happy.
Thank you. Trusting us to treat you safely and compassionately, as we have for nearly 50 years. Thank you.
Okay, this was pretty obvious. Most like royalty. Everybody is most likely to choose the tiara. And someone took my outfit. Okay, whatever. I'll just vote for that person.
That fucking pink bitch
How did someone with a phantom hat look most like royalty?
What?
I don't get it.
Like,
Well, at least I got voted for.
Then you have the duo of Revis and Browner. What will they do?
This is the coolest.
going really quick.
One Super Bowl. Jim, I think when you look at this opening drive, it opens your eyes up.
Neck.
Back. Two guys on Jordy Nelson. Was that even not defenders to stop the run? One of the reasons why they got that field so quickly
Legs. I swear, I think we're gonna get hate comments. A lot of hate comments.
I don't even know how you people get subscribers.
Like what?
Like, do you tell people to watch your video?
Yeah.
I would think there's a few more plays coming off that look. Hand it off. Rodgers could run it. He could give it to a receiver or even a pass by a receiver.
Approaching. Okay, the video's gotta stop in about 23 seconds.
What the hell? This person doesn't look like. Okay, shit. I'm kidding.
Oh, I got first place. I got 3 votes.
I got 1,691. I need 400 more.
Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye.